Okay, so there's the satellite dish. That has to be wiped down. And there's my little path from yesterday. So there's the roof. There's the blizzard. So I have to trudge from there to there. Oh boy. I have to get through this. Oh boy. Oh, I forgot my gloves. Darn it. Got no gloves. It's up to my waist. What are you doing? This is not, I don't know if this is a good idea.
Two hours later.
I'm afraid I'm gonna sink. Oh boy. I'm sinking. You're gonna have to rescue me if I sink. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. This is deep.
6 hours later.
Okay, I'm halfway there.
12 o'clock midnight. The next day.
Ah, here it comes.
Can you go a little faster? My show's coming on.
Eventually.
Okay.
A few inches later.
Alright, I'm coming back. Now I have a path.
6.5 hours later.
Look at this. There's my path. Oh, got some snow in the house. Does it work?
Yeah.
Success.
Meanwhile.